What's going on, guys? My name's Robert Shane, and today we're going to learn how to customize the ribbon. The ribbon is this top little section in Excel where it has all your tabs, and inside your tabs you have these groups, and in the groups you have all these buttons that can do whatever it is you want Excel to do. This is like your main interface to Excel. What some people don't know is that this is customizable. So, for example, if you don't like some of these buttons here and you kind of just want to hide them, you can do that. It's not too hard to do, really. So to get started, we're basically just going to come down here, go to File, Options, the bottom left, come over here to Customize the Ribbon. And this is where your ribbon lives. You'll notice some of these things are turned off by default. So the Developer tab, the Draw tab are not here by default. So if we uncheck those, or if we check those, you get access to more things. Let's go back to it. If you wanted to, let's say, just remove every little thing, you could do that as well. So now you got pretty much an empty Excel file, UI, whatever you want to call it. To customize it, basically, come over here. By default, it shows popular commands. If you want all the commands, just click the little drop-down menu and click on all commands. So this brings up every single thing that Excel has to offer. You know, I think it's a little much, especially for beginners. But as you progress in your Excel lifestyle, whatever you want to call it, you know, that might be useful. So to add something, we first have to tell it where we're going to put it. So we're going to just click on New Tab, then right click it, rename. Let's just rename it My Tab. And then we can add groups to it. So by default, it comes with a group. And the reason for that is because you can't add anything over here into a tab. You have to add it into a group. So let's rename My Group because I'm feeling creative today. We can also add a icon. So I'm going to add this little person icon just because, you know, why not? And then to add actual functionality, I'm going to go back to popular. And let's just add, I don't know, calculate now, redo. I'm really just picking stuff at random. If this was yours, you would obviously pick, you know, the stuff you want to pick, not just random stuff I'm picking. Click OK. And there it is. You got my group and then the stuff in your group. Now, I'm going to go back and just turn these back on because why not? All right, so there you go. My tab and the stuff in your groups. That's pretty much it. There's not much else to go over in the customized ribbon. I mean, you got the different, like this little drop-down menu just shows you the different types of things you could do. All is going to give you everything. Macros is going to give you stuff. If you had any macros, that would show you your macros. File tab is going to show you stuff that's related to your file tab. This is the only tab you can't get rid of, from my understanding. Yeah, if you can get rid of it, I don't know how. I've disabled everything here, and it still likes to show up. Probably not a good idea to get rid of it anyway, because then you would have to know all your shortcuts in order to save and load and even get back into your options menu. So that's probably a good thing. All right, this concludes the video. Thank you.